This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: device charged, stable internet, and the correct account signed in. Once done, open the Vault app and go straight to the trash or recently deleted folder. This is where deleted videos usually sit for a limited period. If you don't see it, make sure Cloud Sync is enabled. Sync can store a copy. Also check any linked cloud account settings. These initial checks save time and determine whether you can restore. Once you find the video in trash, select it and tap Restore or move to Vault. You should see progress and then the file back in your library. If the video isn't in trash, go to the Cloud Backup section. Look under Backups or Exports because some apps move deleted items there. Use search terms, filters, and date range to narrow results. If you have a device backup file, mount or restore it selectively to extract the video rather than performing a full device restore. After restore, confirm the video plays and the file size looks correct. This verifies integrity. If playback fails or file is corrupted, try resyncing the Vault app or re-downloading from Cloud Backup. Sometimes the first transfer misses metadata. If those fail, attempt a selective restore from a device backup. Make sure to export a copy immediately to alternate storage, cloud, external drive, or another app. If nothing works, one key troubleshooting tip: check account permissions and storage quotas, then retry restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.